YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with another J Talks Crypto. Yeah, brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. Doing my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today we're going to talk about some hot meme coins because I know that's what you guys are looking for. We're going to talk a little bit about the state of the market too. So again, if you like that kind of content, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. We're on a mission to hit 100K and I can't do it without you. Also got to let you guys know too that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just a homie, Crypto J. You know, we just talk about, again, things that are trending. But at the end of the day, don't buy anything that you see in this video. But yeah, let's talk about it. As you guys can see, the total market cap today coming in close to 4 trillion. Today is Wednesday and Bitcoin looking highly volatile, right? We do talk about the fact, well, I talk about the fact that I believe personally, maybe it's not a fact, I don't know, that the market moves usually later in the week, right? I usually say that the market usually moves on Thursday. As a matter of fact, I feel like we need to see some good solid close action. I haven't really been up on the market too much, but okay, I see where we're at. Okay, so let's talk about it, right? Let's talk about where we're at. If you're looking on this 1 month chart, we're seeing a lot of sideways price consolidation. And I'll tell you right now that today will probably be just as big as a day as tomorrow, according to some of these some of these long-term charts. As you guys could see, we're creating this sideways price action, which again is an indicator that we might need to see a correction on some of the smaller time intervals. But I honestly think more likely to be what this guy is kind of saying right here in his TA that he gave 19 hours ago. It looks pretty right, I guess. Because if you look, you guys could see on this 1 year, we still have some bullish stuff that is forming for us. And this is why, again, I like to always look at these charts macro and then go micro, right? You got a nice cup and handle forming here. You got some double bottom action, which is indicating a possible sign of a trend reversal. And then we have been having higher lows ever since. Seems like we're just creating bull flag after bull flag. And again, possible another double bottom over here and creating another bull flag up, right? Can this thing rip up to a new level? If it can we break out of that 120 range? If it does, this thing could really send. And in my opinion, it's going to depend on today and tomorrow. If we do not have a good close on today, if we do not have a good close on tomorrow, we'll be having a totally different type of conversation going into next week, I'm pretty sure. Because usually our price does not print on the weekends. The market just doesn't move when the rest of the market is closed, like when the stock market and stuff's closed. We're not going to usually see these things start to run. So in my opinion, we got to see something happen either today or tomorrow. More than likely tomorrow. Maybe it'll happen today. But I do think that we got to start finding some bottom. And it really needs to start happening soon. So maybe we will see some kind of a spring happen today. You guys can see it's either going to be that or we're going to see another retest. Maybe we go back, retouch this level, a trend sideways. I don't know really what's going to happen today. So I guess it's just speculative. But again, some of these more longer term charts not looking that bad, right? Actually looking like still creating higher lows. So I'm patient on it. Let's see what the peanut gallery has to say. And then again, we're going to talk about those smaller meme coins that you guys like. And just, again, ones that are on my watch list. A lot of people thinking type of thing that this could be possible breakout if we decide that we want to break up above some of these levels of resistance, right? A lot of people even people talking about Bonk, a lot of coins that, again, we've talked about on the channel. Anyway, let's talk about some of those coins, right? I know you guys want to talk about those coins. We always got to talk about Bitcoin again because it's the market confidence. And when Bitcoin's down, the market's going to be down. A lot of people don't understand why we talk about Bitcoin, but I always say it's the most important thing. Bitcoin is the most important thing, right? So we're going to always talk about Bitcoin. To have a video and not talk about Bitcoin actually would be kind of crazy. But let's talk about some of these meme coins and coins that I would have my eye on, or coins that I do have my eye on really. I'm gonna just really run through a lot of coins that are over here on this. And they're just coins, again, I'm not telling you to go out and buy these things. I'm just telling you that maybe you might want to have these things on your watch list because these are, again, coins that have shown interest, right? You guys could see a lot of these coins have shown interest. And I'll just kind of work my way down. And again, you guys can kind of just hear my opinions on some of these coins. Maybe you might see some coins that you're holding or that you might like. So first coin is Dogecoin. Honestly, not crazy on it. Maybe it will perform well. As you guys can see, the past 7 days it is up 21%. Maybe this thing could see a comeback. We do know that this is probably actually it is the biggest meme coin, right? Dogecoin is the biggest meme coin in terms of market cap, coming in with 37 billion market cap right now. It's been on a good tear, but it's looking like it might want to see a little bit of correction happening. This coin is definitely super highly volatile, and it's definitely manipulated a lot because, again, there's a lot of big whales in this coin. It is listed again on a lot of big exchanges, so that's one good thing that's going for Doge. Overall, am I super bullish on Doge? Not really, just because I just feel like the market cap is really high on it, 37 billion. I'm not saying it can't go higher. Maybe it will. I really don't know. Maybe it will. I have no idea. But again, how much higher it can go, I really, again, not sure for this cycle. SHIB is a coin that I do think that if Doge does want to grow some legs and run, that SHIB will be that coin that follows behind. We've seen SHIB do that plenty of times. A lot of these dog coins just kind of like correlate to each other. What I've noticed is that, again, they're moving all together. So the days where they're down and when they're not doing so good, you usually see a lot of these coins not doing so well. Pepe coin, you guys already know I made plenty of videos on Pepe. I love Pepe. I think that Pepe has a decent chance of doing pretty well in this bull cycle. Again, if there's going to be a bull cycle, right? Always speculative. Bonk coin, another coin that I've talked about on the channel that I've been talking about since 2023. I like this coin. Again, another coin that's going to be very volatile, only at $2.6 billion market cap. I know a lot of people think that that's really high. I don't think that that's really high. I think that these coins, if we do have our alt cycle, can really run. Some other coins, I don't like Pudgy Penguins. I don't care for this coin right here. This SPX 6900, I don't know about this coin, man. I don't know. They got their Twitter disabled. And so whenever that happens, it's like not really good, I think. But I do think that they're listed actually now on some pretty decent sized exchanges. So definitely a gamble. It is coming at number 58. But you guys can see it's listed not really on anything really. I mean, KuCoin is pretty decent size, but it just seems like a lot of cabal exchanges, to be honest with you. Kraken's a decent exchange. So is crypto.com. So it has a couple of them in there, but yeah, interesting. You guys think that this is a coin that could be listed on Binance? I want to know. Let me know in the comment section if you're holding any of this SPX 6900. Fart coin. You guys know I've been talking about this coin since 20 million market cap. Also, it's sitting at 1.5 now. It's a coin that I like. I do like Fart coin. I do think that Fart coin is funny and that it could have some upside. We'll see how it does. Flocky coin, another coin again that we've been talking about. These coins are showing good signs of demand, these two, right? Up 23% in the past 7 days, up 24% in the past 7 days. And I don't even have to really click on the chart to know that this is probably an indicator that these coins might be making some kind of a recovery. The fact that they're running so much, right? So let's open Flocky and we'll see if it's breaking above some key resistance right now. Well, maybe not, right? We're down 1% today. But as you guys can see, Flocky coin has been performing pretty decent, except for the fact that, again, it was creating this rising wedge. This actually could be a sign of a little bit of sell-off needing to happen, but look at this nice cup and handle overall that's playing out. Maybe if the market wants to stay healthy, we could see some upside for a coin like Flocky. This coin is listed on a lot of big exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase, OKX. Now, this coin is listed on some big exchanges, right? Gate.io. These are not just cabal exchanges, right? These are decent-sized exchanges. So, again, that's a coin that I'm paying attention to. Dog with hat. This is a speculative coin right here. I think this is going to be highly speculative. Again, is this going to do well or is it not? Especially if Bonk's doing well. I mean, I don't know. I have no idea. This thing's coming in at 1.8. Let's look at the chart where it's been. As you guys could see, it's not been having a ton of volume, but again, this thing could always pick back up. It's hard to say. So I guess that just is what that is. You guys could see Mog. Also, we've talked about Mog on the channel. I do like Mog. Mog coming in at 611 million market cap, and this thing is not looking too crazy. As a matter of fact, it's looking like it's showing some signs of demand. A lot of people talking about how bullish they are at Mog. If you're holding any Mog, let us know in the comment section below. This coin is available on Coinbase, Gate.io, KuCoin, definitely on some big exchanges, and one that again is another cat coin that maybe retail might be looking for. They might be wanting those cat coins. We'll see. I don't know. Breakout also, well, I guess we'll stop at Breakout because I don't want to do a million coins on here, but I do want to get a good amount done. So as you guys can see, Breakout also another coin that has had great signs of demand in the past. Definitely looking highly speculative right now. Still 88% of people bullish on Brett. Looks like 158,000 votes. Some people thinking that the trade's looking a little bit volatile, right? This guy over here. Some of these guys are going to be a little bit impatient. But again, Brett is also listed on some pretty big exchanges. So if it does want to do well, then maybe it can do well, right? It's listed on Gate.io, KuCoin, Howbie. This is a big exchange right here. As well as I think it's trading on Coinbase futures as well. So again, maybe we could see something like this getting listed on listed on some bigger exchanges. So it's listed on Binance as a futures. It's listed on Kraken also for future trading, KuCoin future trading, Gate.io, OKX. These are all the biggest exchanges pretty much, except for Coinbase. I thought this was trading on Coinbase. I don't know. Let me know if this is on Coinbase futures as well. But yeah, I'm gonna cut the video here pretty much. I just want to kind of let you guys know coins that I had on my watch list. Again, they're just coins that I'm paying attention to, and they're not stuff that I'm telling you to buy. So again, don't buy anything that you see in this video. It's not financial advice. Things all that you need to go out and do your research on. And always never buy things that you hear off of YouTube. That's really dumb. You have to know how to do your research, check contracts, be safe out there, guys. Again, if you appreciate this video, let me know by liking it, by leaving me a comment. Every single comment, I can't express to you how much those comments are helping me in the algorithm, as well as the likes and engagement. So again, all you guys that are doing that, I appreciate you guys. If it's your first time tapping into the channel, also let me know in the comment section below what coins you want to see. I want to know what coins you guys are paying attention to and looking at. If you have any coins also that you want me to check out, let me know in the comment section below. Also, be careful of things that you see in my comment section because there's a lot of bots. I'm trying to figure out how to get rid of these guys, but they're like always posting like some Bellarium or something like that. Whatever that is, if you just see like one thing like overwhelmingly, it's going to be a bot. And then also if you're seeing these other posts that are like talking about message so and so on Telegram, don't do that, guys. Okay, don't be buying stuff that you see in comment sections and stuff like that. Again, make sure you're doing your research on all this stuff. It's a dangerous space out there, and I don't want to see people get wrecked before what I believe could be the biggest bull cycle yet. It's always speculative. Again, maybe it won't happen, maybe it will happen, but I just don't want to see you guys get wrecked in a scam. So again, make sure you're doing your research. Make sure you're tapping in. Make sure you're hitting that bell notification. Hit the subscribe button. We're on a mission to hit 100K, guys. I can't do without you. And I'll catch you next video. Peace.